Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Now, a friend of mine got in touch this morning asking what crypto to invest in. And what he'd just done, he just downloaded the Crypto.com app, which I suggest you do too. And if you use the link in the description, you get $25 worth of Bitcoin for free when you sign up and make a deposit of about $50 worth into your account. Now, the only other app that I would suggest for beginners getting started is Swissborg. Now, that is available in every country apart from North America, I believe. But that is also another option. But what I do like about Crypto.com is you get a card with it and you can use it. You can use it like a bank. I mean, I just use mine just like my bank, really. I'd make all my purchases with the card, and I've got one of the higher tier cards, so I get all the perks like free Spotify, free Netflix, free Amazon Prime, free airport lounge access, that kind of thing. So the question is, what crypto should you have? Now, what's really useful is this track feature here on the app. Now, what you can do here is you can select your favourite coins. For example, a lot of people are interested in Raven coin at the moment. I'm not, but if you were, you could just click the star up in the corner, and then you get notifications of when there's significant movements in that coin. I would suggest that you have the majority of your savings in Bitcoin, because I think that is the best currency you can own. It's like owning gold. It's going to go up in value. It's not going to get deflated. It's inflation proof because there's a limited supply of it. There's only 21 million Bitcoins ever going to exist. And I think it's really cool. Secondly, I would have 15 to 20% in Ethereum. Ethereum is an amazing thing. It powers a lot of other cryptocurrencies and a lot of other crypto ecosystems. So I think that's going to be really big. It just went over $2,000 yesterday, which is amazing. In fact, yesterday was an all-time high for Bitcoin, all-time high for Ethereum as well. Which brings me on to the point of like when you should buy things. Now, clearly, you wouldn't buy Ravencoin today because it's just gone up 100%. So that would be crazy to buy it. And everyone does this. Everyone kind of sees something go up in value and then they think, I must have it because it's gone up in value. And I would never do that, because tomorrow this will maybe all red. Certainly by Monday, I reckon there'll be lots of red here. And that's when you should be buying. You should be buying things when they've gone down in value and look for the dips. So besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, the other things I'm interested in, I'm interested in Crypto.com itself, because that is the coin that kind of powers the whole Crypto.com ecoverse, if you like. The actual coin has had a lot of stick over the past 6 months because it's just gone down in value, but it's just gone up in value over the last 7 days. So I'm not complaining really, and you basically earn Crypto.com coins every time you use your card. You can also use all the earn features and stuff in Crypto.com to earn Crypto.com coin. So I do have plenty of Crypto.com coin. Other ones I'm interested in are things like Chainlink and Swissborg. I also like Elrond, and I'm having a little bit of a speculate on Utrust. If you're aware of the YouTube channel called That Martini Guy, it's run by a guy called Jordan, a young guy, and he really likes to pick on low cap coins. That's coins that kind of are just starting out, and they're not worth very much at the moment, but they have the potential to 10x or 100x or whatever. And he's made himself a multimillionaire at the age of about 24 by doing this. But to me, I don't know, it's a little bit riskier, I think. But I do like to have a speculate on a few things. So I've got some Utrust as well. And then other things is like EOS. I'm just having a little swing trade on at the moment, so I'm interested in that. So generally, I'd say something like 70% Bitcoin, 20% Ethereum, and then 10% in just other things that take your fancy. One I should have got more of was Cardano. I did buy some a while ago, but when it doubled in value, I sold it, and I should have probably hung on to that. But never mind. You can't win everything. So generally what I'd do, I would look for a day when this looks really red, and I would top up my crypto then. And you can do that just by you go to, for example, Elrond, and then you click buy eGold. Elrond is a company, eGold is the token, so that's where the confusion is there. And then you can buy it with either a card or from your fiat wallet or whatever. But yeah, so today I probably wouldn't buy anything. Today looks very green, and there was all-time highs yesterday in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I think buying today would be daft. I'd probably wait for like someday next week when the markets go down and everything goes red. And crypto does follow traditional markets, so it's worth keeping your eye on the Nasdaq, Dow Jones, that kind of thing, even the price of gold, because generally all the markets move together. And buy on a red day, don't buy on a green day. That's my suggestion. Okay, but my suggestion overall is that you sign up for Crypto.com and use a link in the description, which gets you $25 worth of Bitcoin. I'd also suggest going for one of the premium cards. I mean, you can get the red card for staking a reasonable amount of CRO, and that gets you something like 2% off all your purchases, and I think you get free Spotify with that. And to me, owning Crypto.com coin isn't such a bad thing. I mean, this is what it's done over a day, but you can see over 6 months it's done that. So a lot of people panicked when it went down here. I didn't. I just bought more. And then today I'm reaping the benefits of it. So yeah, it doesn't bother me. The whole thing about crypto, if you're a beginner, is what might happen is you might spend, I don't know, $2,000 or $3,000 on crypto one day, and then the next day it's only worth a quarter of that. If that happens, don't panic, don't sell it, just hang on to it, and if you can, buy more, because then when it goes back up in value, you'll reap the benefits. It's also worth bearing in mind that companies like Crypto.com and Swissborg are very young companies. They are building stuff now. They're building new stuff. They're introducing new stuff all the time. Crypto.com in particular, they're just introducing new features almost every day. It's amazing the way the company's going. It's growing so quickly. Swissborg a little bit slower. Do also bear in mind that Bitcoin isn't owned by anyone. Bitcoin is like gold. It's just there, and for that reason, nobody can affect the price of it. It's the general market that affects the price of it. It's not like a company or something like that. It was supposed to be invented by Satoshi Nakamoto, but he's probably a mythical person. It's probably a team of people, so nobody knows. So for that reason, I really like Bitcoin, and I like that to be my main store of value. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. So if you have, please slap a like on it and subscribe to my channel. I will keep you updated with new things that come out from companies like Crypto.com, Swissborg, that kind of thing. Okay, thank you. Bye.